Hari Om. This video is for those who wish to celebrate Dhanteras in a simple spiritual way without any grand celebration, or who are new to the tradition, living alone or in a small family, or is away for work or studies. Welcome to my channel Chant with Supriya. In this video, I will be sharing the Vedic Dhanteras Puja Vidhi, mantras for health, wealth and divine protection, the spiritual meaning of Dhanteras, and a ritual for modern souls, simple, soulful and deeply sacred. So let's begin and invite blessings, prosperity and divine light into our lives. Dhanteras marks the beginning of the 5-day Diwali festival. Dhan means wealth and Teras, which means the 13th day of Krishna Paksha in the month of Kartika. This auspicious day marks the birth of Bhagwan Dhanvantri, the divine physician who emerged from the Shirasagar carrying the Amrit Kalash, symbolizing eternal health and life. This day is also dedicated to Goddess Mahalakshmi, the energy of wealth, purity and auspiciousness, and Bhagwan Kuber, the celestial treasurer of the Devatas, who blesses us with prosperity, financial growth, and the wisdom to use wealth righteously. So, on this day, we honor the Trinity of Abundance, Mahalakshmi for wealth and purity, Dhanvantri for health and vitality, and Kuber Bhagwan for material prosperity and protection. We perform this puja on Dhanteras day during Pradosh Kal, just after sunset and before night. This is when Mahalakshmi, Dhanvantri and Kuber Bhagwan descends to bless their devotees. So what all puja samagri we need? We only need some simple sacred items. A clean altar or a table, a red or a yellow cloth, photos or idols of Mahalakshmi, Dhanvantri and Kuber Bhagwan, diya, that is an oil or ghee lamp, flowers, incense, fruits and sweets, Ganga Jal for purification, coins or new items bought for Dhanteras Puja symbolizing wealth. I have already made a detailed video on the items to be purchased for Dhanteras. You can find the link to the video in the pinned comment. Panchamrit. We will prepare this in a small bowl by mixing milk, curd, honey, Gangajal and ghee. Just in case you do not have Gangajal, you can use fresh clean water. A pot, some mango leaves and coconut, some tulsi leaves, sandalwood and kumkum, and akshat. Akshat is raw rice grains. So clean your home or the puja corner, sprinkle Gangajal on yourself and on the altar, lay the red or yellow cloth and place the idols. Place the kalash filled with clean water topped with mango leaves and a coconut. This represents inviting all three deities into your home. Light the ghee diya and incense sticks. Offer flowers, sweets and panchamrit with full devotion. Offer tulsi leaves and sandalwood to Dhanvantri Bhagwan. Offer kumkum, coins, akshat and the items bought to Goddess Mahalakshmi. Offer coins and akshat to Kuber Bhagwan. Now take a sankalpa, join your palms and with a heartfelt intention recite, on this auspicious evening of Dhanteras, I invoke Bhagwan Dhanvantri for health, Goddess Mahalakshmi for prosperity and Bhagwan Kuber for protection and abundance. May my home be filled with light, purity and divine grace. Now mantras that you can chant. First we will invocate Ganesha and the divine teachers, our gurus. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. For Dhanvantri Bhagwan, chant this mantra with complete devotion. Om Vasudevaya Vidmahe Vaidyarajaya Dhimahi Tanno Dhanvantari Prachodayat. Pray for physical and emotional healing and thank him for the life energy within you. Now for Goddess Mahalakshmi, chant this mantra with complete devotion. Om Mahalakshmi cha Vidmahe Vishnu Patnai cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. Pray for purity of thoughts, stability in finances and graceful abundance. For Kuber Bhagwan, Om Kuberaya Namaha. Pray for wise use of wealth, generosity and protection from financial worries. Perform a simple aarti for all the three deities together. Now sit quietly for a few moments, offer your prayers in silence and meditate. After completing the puja, offer prasadam, sweets and panchamrit to your family, neighbors or colleagues, sharing the positive energy of the puja. And if there is any leftover panchamrit, it can be poured on a plant. You don't need a crowd or grand rituals to connect with the divine. When done with faith, love, and purity, even a small diya can divinize your entire life. This Dhanteras, may Mahalakshmi bless you with abundance, Dhanvantri Bhagwan with perfect health, and Kuber Bhagwan with stability and protection. If this video resonated with you, do like, share, and subscribe for more mantras, meditations, and spiritual practices. Hari Om.